In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an AI service website in Emergent. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand landing page generated for you with just a short prompt and a few quick choices. Start by opening your browser and going to the Emergent app homepage. Give the page a moment to load so all the tools appear correctly. From the dashboard, select the option labeled Landing Page. This tells Emergent you want to create a website-style page rather than a blog post or another asset. You'll be taken to a simple workspace with a prompt box and some controls. This template is optimized for fast setup, so you can go from idea to page in minutes. Click into the prompt field and describe the website you want. Be specific about what your AI service does, who it's for, and what action you want visitors to take. Mention the tone you prefer, professional, friendly, or technical, and any sections you want included, like a hero headline, features, pricing highlights, testimonials, or a contact area. The clearer the description, the closer the first draft will be to your vision. If you have assets to guide the design, you can add an attachment. This could be a logo, a brand color reference, a product screenshot, or a short document with messaging notes. Attachments help Emergent align layout, color accents, and phrasing with your brand, but they're optional. Use them if they will provide helpful context. Next, choose a model. Different models balance creativity, structure, and speed. For crisp marketing copy with clear sections, pick something reliable and good at formatting. For bolder language or visual flair, go more creative. When you're ready, click Send or simply press Enter. Emergent will process your request and start building the page content and layout based on your prompt and any attachments. You'll see progress indicators as sections are composed. Now wait for it to load. Depending on your prompt and files, you may see follow-up questions. Just answer them directly and briefly. You might be asked to clarify your target audience, confirm a call to action, or choose between alternative styles. After you respond, give it a moment to finish generating. Clear, consistent answers help Emergent lock in the right structure, language, and visual emphasis. So keep your responses aligned with your original prompt. That's it. You've guided Emergent from prompt to landing page. Open the app, choose landing page, describe what you need, attach assets, pick a model, send, and answer any quick clarifications. Follow these steps and you'll have a solid AI service website foundation ready in just a few minutes.